What's up guys, welcome to Revline 89. So today we're going over a mod, and that is my American Muscle Graphics brushed black dash overlay kit, and that is this. So this is brushed black metal. I got a piece up there, a piece in here. These are covered right in here. It goes up through here, over in there, down there, and over here. We got a piece over there and other pieces randomly spread throughout, like right up in here. All of this is brushed. Now my thoughts on it: I love it. I am noticing some corners are coming up, even though, you know, we did it correctly. It's just some corners are coming up, but overall it's nice and I like it. I'd definitely do it again if I had another Mustang, because it looks really cool. I'll try and put the link in the video description, but it is by American Muscle.